If you're heading to Pangasinan or just passing by Dagupan, this is your sign to stop by. It's one of the OG restaurants here. Hindi lang masarap yung food, ang ganda pa ng place. Presko, may river view, and super chill ng vibes. We ordered some of their best sellers. Grabe, sulit sa serving at hindi tinipid sa lasa. Perfect for family, barkada, or kahit solo food trip mo. While waiting, hindi ka mabubore, may playground for kids. And ang sarap lang mag-relax habang hinihintay yung food. Honestly, this place is more than just a kainan. It's an experience. So next time mapadaan ka sa Dagupan, you know where to go. Silverios, definitely worth a try.